What's good, everybody? It's your boy Brian with Pass the Scratch, and today I'm revealing my Robinhood portfolio to you guys. I'm showing you guys how much my account is worth. I'm showing you all the stocks that I have inside of my portfolio, and I'm gonna let you guys know my overall end goal with this. So stick around so you guys can learn everything so you guys can learn everything there is for me to let you know about my portfolio. So stick around.
I know these niggas hating on me, cause they see me skating on D's, and I be getting that cheap.
Boom. Alright. Alright, so as you guys can see, my portfolio right now is valued at a little bit over, almost at $3,000. It's at $2,866 and fluctuating. You know what I'm saying? So that's always a beautiful thing. So my first goal is to get to $10,000 within the year of 2021, which I feel like I should be able to do without an issue. So I'm not really stressing that at all, and we're gonna make that happen. So today I'm gonna show you guys all of the stocks and crypto that I have inside of my portfolio, and we're gonna get it started right now. So like I said, you guys can see that I'm valued at $2,867, and consistently fluctuating. I do have an account deficit. Don't laugh at me. It's nothing major. Let's click on it though real quick to see what it is. So this account deficit is basically saying that I am 83 bucks in a hole. I have a incoming deposit that will literally cover my 83 bucks, so there's no issue. I just have to wait for that to come and clear. So let's jump off into these stocks though. The first stock that I'm in is T, which is short for AT&T. All right, so I actually bought AT&T at 30 bucks and 21 cents. Right now the price is down a little bit since they've had somewhat of a merger, and people are kind of scared it's up in the air what they're doing right now, but I'm not worried. They pay a pretty good dividend. They cut their dividend with this merger, but the dividend is still pretty nice, and I'm not really worried. I expect everything to work out very well with these guys, so let's keep rolling on that. So that's AT&T. I own, I think it's 5 shares of AT&T, and then we go down to YYY, which is Amplify High Income. I actually own 2 shares of this company. I own 2 shares of this company with an average of, I think it was 17 and some change. It's actually valued right now at 17 and some change, so I'm not down, but this is also a dividend stock that pays me monthly for holding those particular shares. So if you guys don't know what dividend stocks are, I definitely am going to make a video really soon to show everybody and let you know what dividend stocks are. So we're going to keep rolling. All right, let's see. I have another company called NLY, which is the ticker symbol. It's called Annaly Capital. I bought this particular, I bought 2 shares of this company for an average cost of $8.80. It's actually worth $9.25 per share now, so I'm up 45 cents per share on this particular company, and they also pay me dividends because that's what I do. I'm somewhat of a dividend investor. So yeah, I own 2 shares of that as well. Let's keep going and see what we got. I own another company called C with the ticker symbol CEQP, called Crestwood Equity. I bought 13 shares of those at $28.04. It's now valued at $30.24, or something like that, and it's growing. So it fluctuates all the time, so you're not really missing anything. Let's see what else. So yeah, I have 13.2 something shares of that because my dividends automatically reinvest into this. So I'm definitely gonna make a video about dividends and the drip feature of how it reinvests all your money that comes in right back into it. So definitely gonna make a video about that. But let's keep going. What else I got? I got a lot of stocks and I gotta get it out. NRZ is New Residential Investment. I have 1 share of that. I bought it at $10.27. It is now worth and some change, just a little higher. So I'm not mad at that. We'll take it. Let's see, what else? I have a company called Workhorse. I'm not too proud of Workhorse. I've actually lost money on this one. I only have one share, so it's nothing major. I bought it at $13.81. Now it's worth $8.29 and dropping. So, I'm not really too excited about Workhorse, but it's all good. I only have one share of them, and I intend on probably getting rid of them truly in the near future. I have another company called Romeo Power, pretty much the exact same situation. I bought it at $12.27. It's now worth $7.91 and dropping. So it's all good. I'm not mad about that. I only own one share of that particular stock. What else do I have? Oh, nice. I have 2 shares of BP. So you guys, BP is, British Petroleum, which I'm sure everybody is familiar with. I bought BP at $24.48. It's now worth $27 and counting. So I'm up on that, and it also pays me a pretty nice dividend. Let's see what else. As you guys can see, if you follow the trend, I am definitely big on dividends. Dividends, I feel, are a way to create generational wealth and passive income. Once you build it up to a certain amount. So what else do I have? I have a company called Frontline, and I bought them at $7.69. It is now worth over $9 and fluctuating. But I have 26 shares of this company. I bought 26 shares of this company, and because it's actually, they pay a pretty nice dividend. The dividend yield is 19% on this company, so I really had to get in there and make my money work for me. So I read a lot of information about Frontline, so they seem like a pretty solid company that can grow. So looking forward to what they can possibly do for my portfolio. What else we got? Let's see. All right, sorry for the quick wardrobe change. I had to change it up real quick. My phone died, so it took a minute. Anyway, all right. So the next ticker symbol is a company called MO. I literally own. Let me see here. I own 2 shares of MO. MO is the ticker symbol. It's a company called Altria. I literally paid $47.15 per share. It is now up to $49.61. They also pay me a dividend. Like I said, I'm a dividend kid. I love them. So let me see what else we got. I love dividends. Dividends is just what it is. I like, almost like saying free money. Okay. I got another company called Kinder Morgan. All right. I bought Kinder Morgan at $17.31. It is now valued at $18.60. So I am pretty hype about that. They also pay me a dividend. The dividend yield on them is, I don't see a dividend yield. Do I have to pull? Oh, okay. The dividend yield on them is 5.65, which is very modest, very safe, as I like to call it. So that's another company of mine. What else do I have? I also have a company called SCU. It's the ticker symbol. It is actually Sculptor Capital Management. I bought this company at $22.21, and I bought 4 shares of this company. It's now valued at roughly $24.54 right now, 24 and some change. So what else? Let's see. We're gonna keep it going because I know, you guys want to see everything I got. And we almost at the good stuff, which is the crypto. We almost there. Let me see. Come on. We have another company called PSEC. It's the ticker symbol. You guys probably heard of this if you into trading at all. A lot of people use this company for dividends. It's called Prospect Capital. I bought it at $8.09. It's now trading at $8.30. So I'll take that. It also pays me a nice little dividend as well. The dividend yield on this particular company is 8.69. So inside of Dogecoin, I I literally own, drum roll please. No, I own 3,500.78 shares of Dogecoin right now. I literally bought them at 0.3979. And it is up to, no, it's actually down right now. It's down to 34 cents, 0.346, and it's fluctuating, but I'm actually expecting, and those 5 shares of Ethereum Classic, I'm proud to have, you know what I'm saying, because they mean a lot to me. So anyway, I appreciate you guys for stopping through, checking out my portfolio, rocking with me, and I'm gonna take this thing from 0 to 10K. 10K is my first goal. I want y'all to be there when I make it there, and I want y'all to be there when I go super far past it, because that's the plan. So stay rocking with me. It's your boy Brown with Pass the Scratch, and make sure you pass the scratch, because I do. I'm out.